Have you ever imagined controlling electronic devices such as computers and cell phones just with your mind? This is the project of American billionaire Elon Musk, which aims to help people with paralysis and even expand human reasoning. Hello, fellow explorers of the future! Welcome back to Deciphering Stories, your favorite channel for unraveling the mysteries of technology and innovation. Today, we're going to dive into the electrifying world of Elon Musk and his ambitious plan for the year 2024 with his innovation Neuralink. But before we embark on this grand adventure, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest stories of innovation and discovery. Elon Musk's Neuralink performed its first brain implant in a human being last Sunday, January 28th. A major step toward the billionaire's goal of one day enabling people to control computers with their minds. Here's everything you need to know about Neuralink and the company's first human test. Neuralink was founded by Elon Musk in 2016 as a medical research company. The focus of Neuralink is the creation of chips to be used in treatments for different types of patients. Although that was the company's positioning, it gradually became clear that the real goal was to promote integration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. In Neuralink's project, it would be possible to connect a brain to a computer. For Musk, the merger of machine and humans would help democratize artificial intelligence. Thus, we would have something like collective artificial intelligence. The entrepreneur fears that artificial intelligence will become something unable to scale and capable of overshadowing human intelligence. To prevent this, in 2019, Musk revealed that he was creating a microchip that could be implanted in a person's head and link machine electrodes to the human brain. The Neuralink chip is called N1, measures 4 mm by 4 mm, and features 1,024 electrodes capable of detecting activity of neurons in a human brain. The development team and Elon Musk unveiled the chip in 2019, stored in a sealed cylinder. Each of the electrodes measures 5 micrometers in thickness. To give an idea, 95 micrometers measure less than a human hair. The electrodes are positioned in the brain just 60 micrometers away from the neurons, without causing any damage to the brain tissue. The placement of chips in the human brain is not new. This practice with similar chips has already been used in people with Parkinson's disease. However, they only have 10 electrodes. This concept was also adopted in 2021 by the BrainGate company to conduct tests on patients with paralysis. At that time, these patients were able to control a robotic arm based on brain nerve impulses. The chip implanted in the patient contains a series of electrodes capable of capturing the electrical signals emitted by the neurons. The internal computer then interprets this data and sends it to an application, which turns them into actions in other equipment. According to the company, the chip has 1024 electrodes, distributed on 64 wires smaller than a human hair, to capture the signals sent to the brain. It operates via an internal battery, which can be recharged via induction by an external device. According to Neuralink, the initial function of the device is to help people with paralysis to interact more efficiently with the world. With the chip installed, they will be able to communicate and use electronic equipment solely with the power of thought. The idea of using technology to assist people with paralysis is old, but has advanced exponentially in recent years. Other companies are developing similar devices to help these patients. What sets Neuralink apart is the invasive process with equipment installed directly in the brain. The wires that need to enter the patient's brain are so small that surgeons need to use a robot to perform the procedure. According to Neuralink, the machine has a needle that implants the wires with sensors at specific points in the patient's brain, much like an ultra-precise sewing machine. These electrodes are then connected to the chip, which is located near the person's ear. Although Neuralink's initial goal is to help people with paralysis, Musk's desire seems to be even more ambitious: to expand human reasoning. The billionaire is part of a group of experts who fear the advancement of artificial intelligence, fearing it may become more competent than humans, and dominate the planet in the future. In a social media post in October 2023, the billionaire stated that Neuralink's ultimate plan is to help expand the speed of human reasoning, preventing machines from surpassing human intellect and improving relationships between people. And so, curious minds, is Neuralink the future of humanity? Although it has immense potential, there are certainly challenges to overcome. But one thing is certain: this technology is here to stay and will change the world as we know it. Leave your opinion about this new technology in the comments below. And that concludes our exploration of Neuralink. If you found this video informative and intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to Deciphering Stories for more mind-blowing explorations in the world of science and technology. Until next time, keep deciphering those stories.